In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to update your ABReport program to the most recent version. This is especially important if you're using the new 617 Medicaid match account and need it to be reported on your budget report for the state. The first step, of course, is to head over to our share file server and download the new ABReport program files. And the version number is ABReport 26.24. Most of you are going to be using 26.3. We've had a huge jump in version number just because we've made quite a number of changes over the last few months to the ABReport program, but we've not released most of them to the public just because we've done a bunch of continued work here and there. So the most recent version is 26.24. Most everyone's going to be on 26.3 or right around there. So just expect there's a pretty big jump in the version number for this particular release because we've done so much work. After you've downloaded the files from our share file server, you should see this folder in your downloads folder on your computer. It should look like this, ABReport 26.24. The next step is to right click on that folder and look for the option that says extract all. Your version of Windows may look a little different than mine, but all of them should have this option in the menu. And when you find it, you're just going to go ahead and click on it. After you've clicked on that extract all option, you should see a window like this where it's going to ask you, where do you want these files to go? And I'm going to show you the absolute easiest way to update your ABReport program. And what I would do is click this browse option, and it's going to give you this window where you can tell Windows where to place all of the new files. And what I would suggest is use this to find your ABReport folder. And keep in mind, some of you, your ABReport program is inside of your budget folder. And so what you can do is just use the navigation tools here to locate your ABReport folder. And I'll just walk you through an example of mine. So in my folder, I have a folder called I2M, and then I have a folder called Postgres, and then I have a folder called ABReport. And just remember, your path is going to be a little different than mine, but it's a really easy way for you to locate where your ABReport program is. Once you've done that, you just press this select folder button, and you'll notice that the text here has changed and it says the files will be extracted to this folder. As soon as you've done that, you can press this extract button, and Windows is going to do this. It's going to say, hey, these files already exist. What do you want to do? And we just want to replace them because these are the updated files that we need for the program to run. So you're just going to select replace. It'll copy all of the files over, and then it'll actually open up the folder for your ABReport program. So that's the absolute easiest way to download the files and then get them copied and ready to go for your use. If you're not sure where your ABReport program is located, there's a little trick that you can do, and that is on your ABReport icon on your desktop. If you right click on that, you should have an option that says Open File Location. Again, every version of Windows is a little different, so it might not look like my menu here, but you should have this option to Open File Location. And when you find it and you click on it, what it does is it opens a folder for where the ABReport program is actually stored. And you can see, again, up at the top of mine, it's my I2M folder, my Postgres folder, and then there's my ABReport folder. So it's a really easy way to figure out where your ABReport program is actually saved on the computer. If you don't do the extract all option, you can always resort to the typical just copy and paste the files from the downloaded folder directly over into your ABReport folder. That works as well. So that's the very first thing you need to do is get the files downloaded and then get them copied into your ABReport program folder. Now, I'm going to show you the next step is to open up the updated ABReport program. And once you've logged in, there's a second set of steps that you need to take. And I'm going to go ahead and pull our updated ABReport program over here and walk you through those steps right now. So the very first thing you want to do after completing the updated files is go to Manage Database and select Import Data. When you're on this screen, there's two files that we need to update, and it's these report format B and report format E files. So what you're going to do is uncheck everything except for those two options right there. And then you're going to come to the end of the line, and there's this little box that allows you to select the file. And you're going to click on the box for BB, and these files are included in the download. And so they'll be in your ABReport folder, and you'll likely have a few old ones as well. So it's really important that you look at the date of the file. The current ones are prefixed with 2026-07, and you'll want to select the BB file first, and then it'll add the text to the line here. And then we're going to do the exact same thing for the EE file. You're going to press the button for the file select window, and you'll locate the 2026-07 ABR report format EE and press this open button. Once both of those options have been filled in, you're going to press the import button. It'll take literally just a second. It'll say import complete, and then you're good to go. This is really important because not only did we do some updates to the actual application, those files also update the physical printing of the report. So it's really important that you get those two files imported into the database. Once you've done that, you may want to check your map accounts, make sure that you've appropriately mapped your accounts. And again, for anybody that hasn't done it in a while, it's really easy. You just click on map accounts, and you click create, and you can create a brand new map of accounts. If the screen kind of looks like mine here, these accounts have already been mapped and everything's good to go. And there's no warnings on the list here. So you would scroll through this whole thing and look for any warnings. Here's a good example, and you would just change this to a valid iFarms account. Once you've mapped the accounts and everything looks good, there's no warnings, you can go ahead and save the account mapping, and then you're ready to print the actual budget report. One final thing that you may want to take a look at is the prior year actual amounts. If you didn't do this during your annual report in October, you probably want to take a look at this and make sure that these numbers are correct. The numbers on my example here are all zeros. You likely will have some data here. What we recommend is the easiest way to get these numbers updated is to refer to your previous budget reports and just manually type the numbers in here. It is the fastest and easiest way to get the numbers updated for the current budget that you'll be submitting to the state. One final thing, it is possible to automatically pull those numbers from the print report screen. If you want to learn how to do that, just give us a call or shoot us an email and we can send you the steps for that. Okay, so that kind of concludes the important pieces of updating the ABReport program and a couple of tips for getting your budget report generated correctly and accurately.